Hi everyone, my name is Lizelle and I am a clinical psychologist at the UJ Psychology Department, and the purpose of this very short little video is to give you a sense, if you are watching in the capacity of a parent or a student or just somebody that has a general interest in the field of psychology, to give you a bit of a sense of what to expect should you decide to enter the training process to becoming a psychologist. Now, I think the first thing that I'd like to mention is just the fact that there seems to exist a huge disillusionment about what it entails to become a psychologist. So the route to becoming a psychologist is actually a very long trajectory, and it stretches all the way from undergrad studies to postgraduate studies. And I often encounter people, I come across people who often think that if you're studying psychology on second year level, that it's enough. No, you're not qualified just yet. So essentially, both undergrad and postgraduate training in the field of psychology equips you with broad-based conceptual knowledge that's not only analytical, but it's also integrative, and has practical implications, but more so transferable implications. And what that means is that the foundational knowledge that training in psychology offers you actually has huge implications for you, so that if one day you should emerge as a fully fledged graduate, you can actually have a wealth of choices as far as the different industries that you want to go in. You might, for example, in the capacity of a research psychologist, so should you train to become a research psychologist, be interested in academia, so be interested in working in a tertiary environment. Or should you maybe be interested in qualifying as a clinical or counseling or even neuropsychologist, you might, for example, choose to work either in a healthcare setting or for different government agencies. You might, for example, also choose to go into industry or different corporate settings. Depending on what your need is in the space that you are in your particular life phase, you might also choose to enter into private practice or to become part of an NGO. The reality is really just that there's a wealth of different choices, and it depends on your particular interest and what you wish to specialize in. And that, in a nutshell, is the beauty of what a qualification in the field of psychology can offer you and can do for you. And I hope you found that helpful.